What's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student. I am at the South Florida DMV. As usual, I cannot say what DMV I'm at, but I am in Broward County, Florida. Alright, I'm with a student. She's about to take her driving test. We're doing the last run through of the practice. She's been practicing, so she's doing quite well. Alright, so they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Turn it all the way to the left.
Okay. What else do you do?
You put it in park, pull up the handbrake, and turn off the ignition.
Okay, go ahead and do the turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. Alright, so they're gonna be having you check the lights and the horn and the brakes to make sure the lights are working. They will not take you out in the car if those things are not working. What they're doing recently too, they're asking you to turn the wheel to the left. Turn the wheel all the way left, and they're checking the tires to make sure that the tires. Alright, so they're gonna ask you to turn the wheel to the left, so make sure you turn the wheel back to the right, right? No, all the way left or all the way right. And again, they're checking to make sure that the tires are good. But make sure you straighten the wheel back before you move, because if you don't, you'll move and you'll kind of mess up when you do that. Alright, so now they're going to ask you to, they're going to come into the car and ask you to reverse from here. So reverse straight back. Just roll straight back until the mirror get to the end of the line. When your mirror gets to the end of the line, you're turning all the way to the right. Turn all the way right and look behind you as you reverse. All the way back. Alright, that's good enough. Put it in drive. Turn left. There, we're going to go down to the stop sign. We're going to make a left turn. Make sure you signal left. As soon as they tell you that you're turning left or right, you make sure you signal every single time. Otherwise, you'll get 4 negative points for each time that you don't. Alright, go ahead, make your left. And go into the right lane. Go all the way down to the end of this to the stop sign and make a left. Alright, stop here. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. Can. And then make a right turn past this tree that's sticking out. So signal to the right, but you want to go slightly left so your mirror, and make sure the mirror is past the curb before you turn. So avoid any possibility of hitting the curb. Turn. Press. Right, straighten up here and stop. Alright, speed up to 20 and then do a sudden stop. And stop. Alright, so that's why they're going to ask you to speed up to 20 and then do a sudden stop. Alright, put it in reverse and roll straight back. Look back just like that and roll straight back until they tell you to stop. Okay, that's good enough. Stop. Put the car in drive. We're going to go straight down to the end there and make a left turn. So signal left as usual. Just remember, signal every time, you know, so you don't get unnecessary negative points. Stay close to your right side, and you're gonna park in between the cones. Signal to the left again. Stay close to the right side. Alright, line up your mirror with the first poles on this left side here. Signal, make sure the thing is on, and then turn all the way left. Get to the middle and straighten up and pull straight in. Alright, stop here, roll straight back. Look behind you and roll straight back. When your mirror is past the pole, then you're turning all the way to the right. Alright, turn all the way right, and then look behind you and continue reversing. Alright, as soon as your mirror is past the middle here, you stop, put the car back in drive. Stay close to the right side. Alright, do your 3-point turn right here. So you stop, signal left, turn all the way left. Yep. Put it in reverse, all the way right. So you stop at the stop sign here, stop completely, 1, 2, 3, signal left, and go ahead and make a left turn. Press the gas gently, go straight to your right, man. Press the gas, come on, and go all the way down. And you see the DMV line is quite long. As we pass here, you'll see a bunch of people on it. I mean, it's not as long as it normally is. Look at the sun stuff. The sun is mad. Alright, make a left turn down here and then make a quick left. Alright, make a left. Make sure you stay on the right side when you come around that corner. Stay close to the right. We're gonna park up on the left side and you're gonna go join the line real quick after we close this video out. Right, signal left. So again, you line up your mirror with the pole, with the line here, the first line for the space. Turn all the way left. Straight in. Alright, stop. Put it in park. Alright, so how you think you did?
I think I did good.
Yeah, you did good. You did good. Alright, so that's it. You see how she did. I'm gonna close this video. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you on the next one.